Sometimes, you may have uploaded a cover photo on Facebook. For the cover photo, if you want to add alt text, you can do that. If you're adding alt text, visually impaired persons can understand what's in that photo, and it's useful for searching too. In this video, we'll tell you how to edit the alt text of your Facebook cover photo. For this, open the Facebook application. After that, at the top, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on it, here you can see your profile name. Click on this profile name. After clicking that, here you can see your cover photo. Click on this cover photo. When you click on it, here you can see the View Cover Photo option. Click on this. And when you click on that, at the top, you can see 3 dots.